So it's day 29 of our camping, is the last day. And yeah, the car is little messed up, but we're going to show you how we packed the car. And that was done by him, not by me. So how did you pack it?
So this is a soft top.
Yeah.
We changed hard top in the summer, so we are using this to open the car whenever we want. So this has a like soft windows. To protect the soft windows, I put the cardboard here, so it's not going to break the windows. And it has a lots of space, so I'm using this side space to put all the jackets, because Niharika is sitting that side, so she can pull any jacket
Yeah.
whenever we want. Okay, so this is one box, light and other barbecue stuff.
Yeah.
Everything is here.
Not much barbecue in this trip,
No.
but few
Yeah,
here and there
all
stuff.
like fire
yeah.
starter.
Fire starter and all that, yeah.
Yeah, lighter, all those things are here. And this is my toolbox.
Toolbox, yeah.
It's always here. So yeah, so how I start with my sleeping bags. They go in first. So this goes behind this box here, and this one goes here like this, and this one I'm using this tiny space for my sleeping bag.
And this trip we did not pack the sleeping pads, just because it takes time to open and close. So if we pack, then that goes above sleeping bag. Is that? Yeah.
Yeah. And this is the next box, comes here.
That's the grocery box. It has all the kitchen things, from utensils to all the kitchen
All
items.
the kitchen item.
Yeah.
Even like lentils and all the
Yeah.
rice.
Yeah.
Everything.
Rice. Everything is there.
And this is
Yeah.
space I'm going to use for our
Stove.
stove. It goes here. Okay. And you can see here I have a propane tank. This space. So
Oh, yeah.
right now we are left with the two.
Yeah.
It
How many
goes-
we used in the entire trip?
Entire trip 8.
Okay.
Out of 8, these 2 left.
Okay.
So
And we
almost-
did less cooking in this trip,
Yeah.
so
So we finished like 6.5. This is half and 1 here.
yeah.
Okay, so this goes like that, and then I put this lantern here on the top of one sleeping bag, so it's easy to take it out whenever we are reaching campsite.
Which is always late.
Always late, so
Yeah.
just take it out, not from the box,
Yeah.
because this is way down. And then goes my camping chair.
Okay, someone has started crying in the neighbor camp. That's okay. And our camp chairs are going.
Yeah, now they are going in like this. Okay, the kid is crying there.
Yeah,
I don't know why. That's okay. And this one goes here. Okay.
Do you want to show our camp signs? Which
Yeah.
is there?
So,
Yeah?
and this is
Yeah.
Yeah.
We made it actually a month back.
on the first
On the
day
first day of camp, yeah.
at the Lake Superior campground.
Yeah, we made that.
Yeah. So it's a work of Niharika and her mom, part of.
Actually, all
Together?
three of us,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So it's here. And now this space I'm going to use here to put the camp,
Yeah.
because our camp is big but perfect in the size. I'll show you. It's here, it just goes here. So the benefit of keeping this here makes a well here.
Yeah.
Now I can put all the things here. So all the things in the sense like duffel bags.
So that duffel bag is for me and him. And we packed clothes for like 5 days, and we did laundry.
We did 3 times.
No, four
4
times
times,
laundry.
yeah.
Yeah, we did 4 times.
Yeah.
I think every week we did. And that's for Niharika. It goes there.
Right?
Yeah. And then the bedding, right?
Yeah. Now I have this hammer
Yeah.
that just fit in here.
Yeah, because again we reach everywhere late. So we need everything handy at that
That's
time.
Einstein's camp lease we used only in the campground. It goes here, we don't need now. Yeah, so like this my backpack for hiking is easily goes here. See, so I can utilize this space. And now
Einstein's food, yeah.
Einstein's food just goes here. So it's perfect here. And now goes our bedding.
Only for this trip we kept a bedding like that. It has got air pillows which we can just blow with, just blow air.
Yeah.
And there is a big king size comforter.
Yeah.
But for our regular camping trips, we take self-inflatable sleeping pads.
That.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put video on
Yeah.
that later. You can see how it is like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now I'll use these racks here to push this up. And these are the bag full of used clothes.
Yeah.
And that goes here down. So it's holding this here tightly.
2 bags of used clothes,
Yeah.
which will be now, we do laundry at home now.
This bag, as you can see,
It's for Wolfie.
Wolfie, for our Wolfie. All his frisbee and toys, everything are here. If he wants to play, that goes here, just behind him. So pretty much that's it. I have lots of windows here
Yeah.
in the back
Yeah.
to see, and
Yeah, and I'll
yeah,
I'll
it's
show.
still if I want, like
Yeah.
we have some stuff,
Yeah.
I can put it here.
Yeah.
So it's like big windows here.
Yeah. We
in the
still have
back.
that space left. Sometimes we do use it.
Yeah.
And
So
okay, let's see
this
our
side is
Einstein.
our Wolfie. I have camera bag here. I put the blanket here, so he's just comfortable. He sometimes sits watching outside the window, and he sleeps here. Right, Wolfie? High five if you like it. If you like the trip, you have to say high five. High five? No, you didn't like the trip.
Oh my god.
Don't do like this in front of everyone, right? Huh? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. See. See. He's making up now. Good boy. Yeah. And we have badminton here and another tarpaulin here in the back. I have all the jack, all the tools,
Yeah.
tire repair tools, everything here in between. I'll show you from that side.
Okay, that
And
side.
yeah.
That's
Yeah,
Niharika's
so
side.
That's our daughter's side. She have lots of room here, but still she is putting her legs crossed and she enjoys the ride. Backpack, and down there we have like the compressor pump for tire, all the tools to fix the tire if I get like a flat tire. Luckily we didn't got it. And yeah, all the gadgets here, and that's it.
Pretty much, yeah. That's it. That's how it looks. Okay.
And must see this thing.
Must see. Okay.
Yeah, let's
This he got for this trip.
go.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
See you.
So
Bye.
see you guys in the next trip. We are going to finish this by tonight. I still don't want to leave, so we'll spend at least 3-4 hours in the Lake Superior
Yeah. Beach.
beach.
Yeah.
And we'll leave around like a 3-4,
Yeah.
maybe 5. We don't know because we have to go home, so we'll just go home. and
Yeah, we're
sleep.
not just worrying too much.
Yeah.
We can have dinner at Susameri or Sudbury. We'll see where we.
Yeah.
We have 2 big cities coming up, so we are not worrying too much about food.
Yeah.
Today at least.
Yeah.
See you.
Yeah.
Bye.
That's it. See you.